Did you know that something as simple as making a cup of coffee involves multiple brain skills? These are called executive functions, and they help us plan, focus, and get things done. Let's start with planning and organization. You begin by mentally mapping out the steps, adding sugar, stirring, and then taking a sip. Your brain is organizing these actions to make sure everything happens in the right order. Next, there's working memory. While you're pouring the sugar, you're holding the whole process in your mind, remembering what comes next, like stirring the coffee after the sugar is added. Here's where attention comes in. You're focusing on what you're doing, tilting the sugar just right and making sure it all goes into the cup without spilling. Your brain is fully engaged in this moment. Notice how smoothly you switch from pouring to stirring. That's cognitive flexibility. It allows you to adapt to each part of the task seamlessly, like adjusting the angle of the can or changing your grip to stir the coffee. And of course, there's inhibitory control. You're staying steady and controlled, pouring just the right amount of sugar and stirring carefully. This helps you avoid spilling or rushing through the process. So, even in everyday tasks like making coffee, your brain is hard at work using all these executive functions, helping you plan, focus, and adapt. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about how your brain helps you every day? Like and subscribe for more fun insights and tips on building strong executive function skills.